Okay, so this is kind of cool. It's something that you can do. I suggest partnering up with a friend or you can video yourself doing it home later. It's called the Spiegel eye roll test. Now, as I said, everybody can be hypnotized. You go into hypnosis when you're watching movies. You're probably a little hypnotic right now. Get hypnotized when you're reading a book. But if you want to know how naturally hypnotizable you are, it's the Spiegel eye roll test. You're going to keep your head straight. You're going to look directly ahead. And the goal is that you're going to look all the way up. And then with your chin straight, because you're going to want to move it, you're going to lower your eyelids down while your eyes are looking up. It's a weird feeling. The more that they roll up and inward, the more hypnotizable you are. And it's funny to watch you all because y'all look really kooky. Don't worry, we won't post this. But what's crazy is I've had clients in my office who I kid you not, it was so creepy. He was sitting in the chair and he like went into the hypnotic state. His eyes were fully open and his eyes were rolled up and all I saw was the whites of his eyes, and I had to do the whole session with him like staring at me like that. And I was like, sir, eyelids down. But again, just because you're maybe not a great eye roller in this test, it does not mean you're not suggestible. Everyone can do it. So have fun, play with that with your friends and family. Good party trick. It's like you're hypnotizable. Next one.